Yo, what's up, guys? Jared Pickens here. I got the old school Lorwyn tournament pack. Love these tournament packs. 75 additional cards. I'm going to apologize in advance for the lighting. My lighting is to the right and it's going to cast a shadow, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we're going to crack open this baby. Hopefully we get some awesome foils. I apologize for the last videos. Yeah, I just apologized. It cut out. It's my first time ever doing a video last time, so the editing was off a little bit, but we're going to crack this open because the new Lorwyn set will be coming out pretty soon. If I can, I think they got the pull tab down here somewhere. Yeah, it's down there. Damaged the pack. No, we're not going pull tab. We're going around. Come on, let's go. All right. I don't know what we got for heaters, but hopefully we get some cool foils. Got Metroid here. Inner seal, nice. I'm not sure the order of the cards. I'm guessing it's commons, the rares, and then the uncommons. But I don't know. Maybe next time I'll have my homework done for you guys. Especially with Lorwyn, I've never opened Lorwyn before. It's not really a set I was super into back when it came out, but I love all Magic, so let's oh, that old ink, man. Alright. Let's see what we get. Kithkin. Nice. Foot Bottom Feast. A lot of these cards I don't really know. But the art is super cool, and that's 95% of the reason why I got into Magic. I also love playing the game, but I don't play that much anymore. I'm more of a collector these days. Lowland Oaf. Nice. Cool giant. That's a cool card. Tribal Enchantment. Enchanted creature is a 0/4 tree folk with no abilities. Why? Lignify? Lignify? Lignify. Weed Strangle. Kithkin Healer. Deep Tree. Miro? Tree Folk. Or Merfolk, sorry. Merfolk. Inner Flame. Nice. Whoops. Sorry about that. Pepper Smoke. Pepperfin Rascal. That's nice. Elite. Creatures able to block, do so. Comes into play, clash with an opponent. If you win, +1/+1 counter on them. Nice. Moon Glove Extract. Smoke Raider. I'm gonna go a little faster now. Walk. Fernet. Keep sliding out. Sorry. Protective Bubble. And boy, the art on this is just amazing. Like, you can't beat it. Super nostalgic. Super awesome. Chainling. Blades of Velasvale. Senhair. Imagine be coming up to the rares here pretty soon. Or at least the uncommons. Jeez Louise. Alright. Shimmering Grotto, that's cool. I love any non-basic land. I'm a sucker for the lands. The Shield List, Giant Air. First uncommon. Nice. So I'm guessing the rares are at the end. Ego Irisher. Chainling. Veteran Depths, excuse me. My voice is coarse. I just got over a cold. So Elvish Haybringer. That's a cool card right there. Search your library for an elf, then shuffle your library and put it on top. Great for any elf deck. What do we got here? Water Launch. Incremental Growth. Tar Pitcher. Sweet. Bethencourt. Ghostly Chainling. Nice. Alright, this is the first rare. So, we'll just keep it in order the way we're going. Oh, sorry, getting a little foggy there. Mosswort Bridge. Nice. Next rare. Needle Vein Blight. Very cool. Colfern's Urn. Or Colfiner's Urn. Nice. And some books and stuff. And then the lands. I'm not going to go through each land, but we'll check to see if we got a foil in here. The lands are super nostalgic art. It's just very cool. Awesome. Sorry if I went too... Oh, we do have a foil. We got a foil in the back. It's not a land. Oh, it's a nice common foil. Alright. Oh, you can't see it here. Heal the Scars. Generate target creature. You gain life equal to that creature's toughness. Nice. Look at the foiliness of that. That's cool. Well, did we get our money back? Probably not, but love these opens anyway. So, yeah. Shoot a like, and I'll catch you at the next one. The next video we're going to have Onslaught and a Mirage starter open. And I got those right here. So next time, boom. Next time, boom. Which one will I open? You guys let me know in the comments which one you want to see open next, okay? All right. Talk to you guys later. This is Jared Pickens. Bye.